Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with another haul video from Damyanah Studio. I love Damyanah so much. She's such a sweetheart. She's beautiful. She's so talented. And she and her dad have beautiful bead companies. I purchased a lot of her Artisan pendants, beads, and buttons. She came out with buttons. So I'm so excited to show them. They also have a retreat in Bulgaria that I'm very much considering going to next year. I want to talk to them a little bit in Tucson about that when it comes up next month. Oh, I'm so excited. But I cannot wait to show you what I got from her. So these are two orders. One was made to order and one was like from another show. But we're going to go through and I'm going to show you everything I got because I know you love her as much as I do. She's got some new stuff out this year. This one was cherries. Okay, super gorgeous. And I think she had cherries in 2 different colorways. I thought I bought cherries in blue and green. If I did buy the blue, I don't know where I put it. We're working through the hoarding issue in the Bead Studio. So I have this cherries pendant, I should say. Love that. Another thing, you know, I love fruit so much. She came out with a lemon design this year too. So I had to get, of course, every lemon thing she had. Look at this one. It's so gorgeous. And she hand draws all of these, hand paints them, and then she fires them after, well, they fire them once to get the pieces, and then she hand paints everything and fires them again. So she's drawn every single dot, every single line. It's just amazing. She's just amazing. We have the lemons in a like triangle, and then the lemons in this medallion round shape. Now she does make like earring size drops, but I don't make earrings because I don't wear them, so I don't usually buy those. But she still makes them too. And then I got some coordinating beads to go with the lemons. Love those. They're so beautiful. Okay. Next, let's go into the buttons. I got too many buttons, but I'm so excited because buttons was my first word. I've always collected buttons. Actually, I started collecting buttons when I was maybe 7 or 8, and it was before I started doing anything with beads. She had these beautiful buttons in solid colors with some white scrolling on them. Love those. These are probably going to make their way into probably bracelets, because that's just usually what I see when I'm thinking of buttons. I see in my head. Then we have another fruit one. I think it's either an orange or a peach. I think it's an orange. So very cute with little vines and stems and flowers. Then I don't remember that I got 2 of these, so that's okay. That means I'll probably use them faster because I have one to use and one to hoard. So pretty. So pretty. Love that. Goodness. Sorry, some of these were hiding behind other things, so I'm so excited I just saw more. We've got a strawberry button. Oh, I'm obsessed with her strawberries. You know that from seeing past haul videos of hers. Another button with a set of flowers. Super gorgeous. Green, yellow, pink, cream. That would be a really pretty bracelet if I did the same colors. More flowers. I don't know if these are supposed to be poppies or what, but they're gorgeous. And I think she has these 2 different sizes, just the 2 sizes. A huge button. I got 3 of these huge buttons. Oh, I'm obsessed with them. Not all in the same pattern though, but it's got that pink flower. I just love the hand-drawn, illustrated look of these pieces. Let's see if I can get the light up here. There we go. And then my favorite sunflowers I got in small, and I love that it's like a side view and large. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with them. Oh, I'm so obsessed with them. And then this is my favorite print of hers, is this sunflower. We know we did a sunflower bracelet and necklace using these, or this pattern, but I got it in small and big. Oh, I'm so obsessed. Then she also made some new prints in fish. Oh, here's another button that I missed. A little tulip in pink. So cute. So she made some new fishies. I got the blue and the yellow. So here's the blue. So cute. You know we love ocean stuff on this channel. Oh, those match that too, but I want those to go with that. I could make a bracelet with this, or I can make a bracelet with that. I wonder if she's going to come out with lemon buttons. Ooh, that would be fun. And then here's the yellow fish. So cute. Oh, wait, there's more. I got yellow fish lentils. I got blue fish lentils. Sorry, there's some cording coming off of another project. And then I got some blue fish oval or almond shaped lentils. I love them so much. And oh my gosh, 2 different fish on each bead. I can't wait to make these into a bracelet or a necklace or something. I just, don't you wish I could just stay home all day and make videos for you all? I would love that. I would love that. If we can figure out how to do that, let me know. And then I got 2 little purple beads. I don't know that I got these specifically to match anything. Maybe this, but I think I just like the purple beads. And then last but not least, and I think even though this is my first favorite out of this stuff, and then this one's one of my favorites, this is my favorite that I'm showing you today. It's this little bowl of strawberries, and it's just been on my desk holding all of this, making me so happy for the last couple months. And I just love it. So she just had a sale online in one of the bead groups that I follow, but I didn't get anything this time because I knew I would be seeing her next month, and I want to shop in person, shop some of her new stuff, and just hang out and get to talk to her for a little bit. But look at this little bowl. I did get a bowl in Tucson earlier this year, but I love that bowl. I love it so much, but I think I like this one so much more because I love the shape. So here is my enormous haul from her. Just, it makes me so happy. I've reorganized the artisan beads that I've had from her into a bigger container. I had 2 drawers for her, but I changed how I'm holding all of my artisan stuff at the moment. So it's going into these. And I had a divider, which is great because now I can keep her pendants together and her beads. So here's the other. Did I get 2? I got 2 of this same cherry thing. Look at me. That's why I thought, oh, Brittany, didn't you order the blue cherry? Oh, I guess I did. Here we go. Well, that's okay. Maybe I'll sell one. I don't know. Now that I think about it, because I don't think I'll use 2. But I always show you guys how I put the beads in the drawer after I get new ones. So we'll do that here. Put in our pendants first. I don't think that I'm going to put I don't know what I'm going to do with the buttons. I don't know. I don't know. Buttons aren't going to get their own drawer, but I don't know what to do with those. They might go on the pendant side. I know I'm talking a lot, but I'm trying to talk through like what the heck I'm going to do. All right, and then we're going to put our lentils and beads in the bead side. Oh my gosh, look at these. I need to like just pour through here and like design something because it's getting out of hand. But you all know that I am a bead collector as well. So I really just love looking at them and touching them and hanging out with them. I think I am going to put the buttons in the pendant side for now, just because I don't have any other plan for them of where they could possibly go in my bead stash. I have lots of empty drawers, but I just don't know if I want them to be away from the beads and pendants. I think they're good in here. We have enough room for now. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks, Damyanah, for making such beautiful, beautiful pieces. Let me know what you think, and I will link to her website and her Facebook. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Did you just get a bath? Yeah, we having a party tomorrow and you're getting a bath today. It's been a long time. You're a little traumatized, huh? You do love being a pupperito in the blankie, don't you? Or in the towel, huh? You're so cute. Yeah, you're such a good girl, Goldie. You're such a good girl. Yeah.